Hi guys, welcome back to Children's Safari. Today I'm going to make a rubber band bracelet from this DIY Loom band kit. I got it from Amazon. You can get it from any store. For this, we will be needing rubber bands and S-clips. I made this bracelet earlier. Today I will be using green, purple, and gold. First, take the first color you are going to use and make a bow. Then take the second color you are using and make another bow. Then take the third color you are using and make another bow. Then take the bottom bow and put it up. If you need to, you can pull those two down. Then take another one and put it up top. Then take the one that is at the bottom and put that one up top. It should look like this. Take another one and put it up. Make sure every single one has a cross in every round. Then take the bottom one and put it up. Then take another one and put it up. Keep doing it until you get the desired length. Put this up. Then I'm going to take these two down because they're going to rub to my top. And get another one. And then I'll put it up. Now we've got the desired length. We are going to put the S-clip. This is how I put it on. I take the other half, I put all of it on one finger. I take them and put them on the other finger. Take the S-clip and clip it and pull it off. Then I do this. Same thing for the bottom. So I'll take these two, put them on my fingers, pull these two, and clip with the other end. And I have a bracelet. Thank you.